Today we'll be installing the rear glass windshield. This kit includes 4 brackets, 8 nuts, 8 hex screws, 8 washers, and 4 ROPS clips. The hardware to install this is a 10mm socket, 4mm Allen head, pen or pencil, and a tape measure. Now we'll install the ROPS hardware. The first step to install the ROPS mounting brackets is to measure 1.3 inches from the lower edge of the rear ROPS. You'll mark this with your pen or pencil. With the mark placed, clip in the lower edge of your ROPS mounting bracket. It will snap in place. Next, we'll measure 4.3 inches from this right-hand side outer edge of the mounting bracket. And we'll mark that point with our pen or pencil. Similar to before, we'll snap in the ROPS mounting bracket on that line. Now do the same thing to this side of the machine. Same measurements, 1.3 inches from the lower edge. And snap our ROPS mounting bracket into place. We'll mimic our previous measurement of 4.3 inches. Mark this and snap our ROPS mounting bracket into place once again. With the ROPS hardware securely in place, we'll now install the brackets on the rear windshield. Loosely tighten the nuts. Don't fully tighten, just hand tight. With this in place, we'll now install the rear glass windshield on the machine. This. We'll now fully tighten in the hex screws. For more information on this accessory and other CAT UTV accessories, visit cat.com.